Hi, welcome back. This is Khalid Mahmood. Today I will try to show you how you can sum two or more fields in an attribute table using ArcMap for all three types of shapefiles. Either it could be point, place mark, or line, polyline, or polygon, or area. So I am using ArcMap 10.5. So let's get started. So this was just only a wallpaper. So let's open ArcMap. I have opened it already. So here you can see I have added three different shape files: point, line, and polygon. So here I have opened one shape file of point feature class, and I have this huge amount of records in this table, around 58,000. So here, if you have some fields like this, let me zoom in. Field A with data type short integer, field B with data type long integer, field C with data type long integer, and I have created two sum columns to show you a different things. So let me show you the first column and its data type by clicking on properties. So this is the field name. I just put this short integer from this as a data type so that we can consider these data types while getting sum of any two or more fields. So first of all, I will show you how you can sum if you have created this sum field with short integer, with the data type short integer. So let's get into it. So first of all, you have to write two exclamation marks, and inside this you have to type first field name short integer, and so this is the first field you are going to add, and this is the second field. Then here you have to just press plus, and you have to again add two exclamation marks, and in between you have to type another field name. So you can add plus, and the third or fourth field you want to get some of that. So for this exclamation mark, I have two screenshots if you want to see. If you are using Windows keyboard, then you have to press shift key and +1 number, then you will get exclamation mark. If you are using Mac operating system, then you have to press this exclamation mark. So you have to copy this. I have just typed it in a notepad. So I am going to copy it, and I have to select the column or the field where I want to sum of these two or three fields, and then right click and click on field calculator, and here we have to select this Python parser here, Python. So we have to select here Python, and here you have to just paste what you have copied from this notepad. So when you will paste, and then you have to click OK. It will take some time because the table records or around 58,000. Now you have a sum of these two fields into this uh, field sum with data type short integer. So you have selected two different fields. Let me zoom in again. The first one was first field was with data type short integer, and the second field was with data type long integer, and you got successfully the sum of these two fields into this sum field with data type short integer. And if you have created a sum field with long integer, then you will also get the same result. It will not affect the field of sum with any of these two data types. Let me show it here. So we have to copy this text again. Right click, field calculator, and don't forget to select here Python, and we have already pasted the same thing here. Then click OK, and you got the same sum for these two fields in another sum column with different data type. So this was the one scenario using shapefile of type point or place mark. So it will be the same if you are using the shapefile type line or polyline. It will not affect the type of the shapefile. Let me show it here. So if you have to add this field into this, you have to add a new column with the name sum, and you can keep its data type short integer. Just paste here, and you have successfully created a new field. And again, the field names are same here, which we have typed here already in Notepad. So you have to copy this and right click on some field and click on field calculator, and you have to select this Python parser, and then you have to paste here, then click OK. So you are getting the same sum for these two fields, even if you have to sum this in line or polyline shapefile, and it will be the same for polygon or area shapefile. So hopefully you have found this video helpful. So I request to you, do like the video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can have notifications for further upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.